Okay, so we're looking at the general form of the equation of a straight line. So we have that y equals mx plus c, which is our usual form, but we can also have it in the form where we've got 0 is equal to ax plus by plus c. In this case, you need to be careful that these c's, c here, and C here are not the same. So what happens with this? So if we have, for example, let's get an equation where we've got something that's not quite so nice. So if we've got y is equal to 2/5 x plus 3/5. So here we can see everything is in fifths, so it doesn't really make sense to leave that equation in that form. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the whole thing by 5 to get rid of our fraction. So we end up with 5y is equal to 2x plus 3. Because if we've got 3/5 and we times it by 5, we get 3. If we've got 2/5 and we times it by 5, we get 2. So then we can just rearrange this, so we get 0 is equal to 5y minus 2x plus 3. So we use this kind of general form if we've got fractions in our equation and we use it so that we don't have those fractions in them, especially when the fractions are kind of a bit more complicated and quite nasty in terms of the numerators and denominators that they've got. So that is the general equation of a straight line, and so it's in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0.